Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add DNG file in Lightroom. If you're new to Lightroom and you don't know how to add DNG file in it, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first we need a DNG file. To get a DNG file, I have an app right here. I'll simply click on it and now I can choose one of the settings. And we can also rename the file. I'll let it be as it is. And as you can see, it is a DNG file. And simply click on download. Now our DNG file has been downloaded. Now to check our DNG file, simply click on Lightroom and a whole gallery. As you can see, this is our DNG file. And we can use this DNG file to edit our photos in Lightroom. And just like this, we can add DNG file in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.